Good day, and how are you on this marvelous, great, fantastic, superb, wonderful, stupendous, outrageous, terrific day with the sun shining upon the brow, the wind whipping through your hair, the sweet smell of roses tantalizing your nostrils, and a taste of honey upon your lips? Good morning.
Is summer out?
Yes! My philosophy is mind over matter. If I don't mind, it doesn't matter. I'm making a YouTube video. So I'm walking around the block. Anyway. Okay, thank you. Anyway, I am just taking a nice stroll around the block. Good morning. Afternoon, yes. Anyway, I'm taking a nice stroll around the block. T-shirt. Shorts, as you can see. I'm just taking a nice stroll around, but it is snowing. It is Sunday, January 17th, I believe. Whatever, it doesn't matter. It is about -7, and it is snowing. It's a nice, vigorous day out, isn't it? So, I'm just taking a nice walk around the block. Invigorating walk. And as I mentioned, my philosophy in life is mind over matter. If I don't mind, it doesn't matter? No, it does not. So do what you please. I've also thought about doing that polar bear dunk on New Year's Day in Toronto, where you go on New Year's Day, nice and cool day, and just take a swim in Lake Ontario. Well, you know what? I'm too lazy for that. Not efficient enough. It's... Why? If you want to do that, you can do it anywhere. Like me, taking a nice walk around the block. Okay? So you can do that. So, you know what? Why go to all the trouble of going to Lake Ontario? Just take a nice cold shower at home if you want that. Not a big deal. If you don't mind, it does not matter. Okay? Well, I'm almost finished my walk. It was not a very short walk. It was not a long walk. But it was a very invigorating walk. So just take a nice walk around, see the sights, see the fresh snow on the ground. Get some exercise. There we go. Now maybe to discuss next week's video. There's a few ideas. Usually my videos come in last minute kind of thing. I'm a last minute kind of guy. I do my Christmas shopping like on the 24th of December usually. I'm trying to get away from that, but it's like I see something last minute and I get it. Well, go figure. So I'm a last minute kind of guy. But I'm thinking, you know what? The kind of flowers you should give your wife or your girlfriend. There should be more of a multi-purpose kind of thing. So, you know what? Not only do you give them to your wife, you know what? You have a meal of them. You eat them afterwards. You kill two bones. You kill two birds with one stone. Okay? You know, not only do you give your wife, your fiance, your girlfriend flowers, you make a meal out of it too. That's an idea. I'm thinking about that. If not next week, the week after. We'll see what we can do about that one. Okay? And then there's, I think I'm going to get a mohawk. I'm 50. I think it's about time. When I was young, could not get a mohawk. Parents wouldn't allow it. Okay? Then out in the working world, no one allowed me. No, but mohawk, I would love a mohawk. Multicolored mohawk would be better, but I think I'll stick with a mohawk. Let's see how long my wife lets me have it. I'm hoping for a day or two. It's a hopeful. Okay, back home. Thank you very much for this interesting video. Thank you. Bye.